Imagine turning a massive list of prospects into personalized cold emails instantly. What if AI could handle all the heavy lifting for you? Well, my name is Madhu, I'm with GPT Workspace, and in this video, I'll show you how to use GPT formulas inside Google Sheets to qualify and personalize outreach for 1,000 leads in seconds. Whether you're in sales, marketing, or running an outreach campaign, this method will save you hours of work. Okay, so let's try manually type in a cold email for each of these contacts. So it goes something like, "Hey, John Smith, love your work with the downloaded AI white paper." I'm already sick of it. It's going to take more than 2 minutes for each lead. Let me show you how AI can handle all of this instantly. So what we're going to do, we'll just delete this bad response, and we are going to go into extensions and start GPT. And then we're going to go in and paste our response. So let's say for this example, we're a SaaS founder reaching out to potential customers. So we just provide GPT with a formula and a prompt to send out personal emails. So I am a SaaS founder reaching out to potential customers. Create or generate a customized email tailored to their company, role, and all other data in this sheet. Generate a formula for this personalized cold email. All right, and now GPT Workspace will spit out a formula that we can use. All right, so now that we've got our formula, we'll just take this, copy it, select this cell, and paste it into here. And it'll input all these relevant text into your email. So now that we've got that amazing email, we can just take this and copy and drag it for the rest of our leads. And now we've got beautiful emails to send out to all our cold prospects, and it personalizes all of them in a matter of seconds, so you're more likely to have higher conversion rates. And there's a few other things you can do. So just say, you want the tone to be more casual, you can include that in your prompt, or if you want it to be more formal, you can include that in your prompt as well to change the tonality of your email. So now that we've got all our emails here, we can export these emails into a CSV and upload this into your email software and then launch your campaign. If you want to try this for yourself and you feel like it might be useful for your business, sign up to GPT Workspace in the link below and start sending 1,000 personalized cold emails to your leads instantly. Now, if you found this content useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more AI-powered productivity hacks in the future. See you next time.